Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a business location page in Google Sites. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, visit sites.google.com. Then click on the website that you want to add your business location page on. This is my website in Google Sites. Now, to create a new business location page, go to Pages and just hover over this plus circle or icon and click on Full Page Embed. Let's call it, for example, Business Location. Click on Done. A new page is added to your website and also in the navigation menu. Click on Add Embed and keep this window open. Now go to Google Maps, which is by visiting this link, google.com/maps. Let's show you. This is the link. Now search for your business. Let's say that your business is NYC Pizza, for example. Locate or open your business location like this and click on share. Switch from send a link to embed a map. Copy this, or to copy this code, simply click on copy HTML. As you see, copy it to clipboard. Return to Google Sites and switch from by URL to embed code. Paste the copied code here and hit next. Click on next again. And just like that, your business location is added here. Click on publish. Publish again. And let's view the result. This is my business location page. And as you see, my business name shows up here with the address, stars. And if I click on the directions, it opens up this page. Now let's see how to make this Google map. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites for Beginners online course today for free. Inside this online course, you will learn many things including Google Site basics and website setup, pages, navigations and site structure, header, banner and branding customization, design, layout and visual customization, also media, video and interactive content like how to insert a video and audio, etc. Also how to create forms, maps and embed tools. You can also learn how to add a button in links, buttons and call to actions, social media, footer and page elements, custom codes, tracking and analytics, and at the end, domain, visitors and website growth. To get all of this, plus my other online courses like Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost, Hostinger, Website Builder, and Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Now let's see how to make this Google map a little bit bigger. Simply click on the map and click on this little pen, and here look for width and edit it, for example 1070 to, for example, 700. Click on next, save, and as you see, the map is a little bit bigger. Let's check it live. And now the location is a little bit bigger. And this is how to add a business location page in Google Sites. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.